In this video, I show you how to add hashtags on YouTube. If you're new to the channel, please go down below and hit that subscribe button, and once you've done that, please go down below and consider leaving a like as well, as it helps get this video to more people. So in this guide, I'm showing the full steps on how you can add a little hashtag above your title on YouTube. So without any further ado, let's go and jump into this guide. Now let's go and get into this guide. Now just to make it clear, this guide is going to work on mobile as well as desktop. As long as you've got access to YouTube and an internet connection, this guide is going to work. And let's go and get into this. And you can do this in the YouTube Creator Studio app as well, or you can go to YouTube desktop mode and follow it from here. So here is my channel. Let's go and click on this example video here. As you can see, this is a video I want to go and add hashtags to. None are currently here and none are above. And you can also go and do this with uploading new videos as well. But in this guide, I'm going to be doing it to an existing video, but the steps are exactly the same for uploading a new video as well as uploading an old video. So the first thing you want to do is go to your Creator Studio. So you can do this within the YouTube app on your mobile or on the YouTube desktop mode like this. So hit YouTube Studio and it's going to take us to our dashboard. Here we are. So then you either want to go and start uploading new videos, so click create and upload videos, or you want to come down to content or videos, and then it's going to list all of your content, and the video I want to do this to is example video 3. So then all you want to do is go and click on that. As you can see, here is all our details. So it's a lot simpler than you think. There's no sort of complicated stuff down here. All you need to do is simply come to your description, and then you want to go and do it anywhere within the description. And all you need to do is add a hashtag. So I know on a Mac, this is really annoying. So I'll put a hashtag in the description so you can copy and paste it. But on most Windows keyboards, you're going to have a hashtag button. So I'm going to click it like that, and you've got this hashtag, the crosses. So then you want to go and add what you'd like, so example, and then you can add multiple as well, so I could then go and add test, and then I could go and add Tucker, just like this. And then once you've done that, you then want to go and click save. So of course you just add this in the description box when uploading a video as well. And then you want to go and wait for it to save. As you can see, changes saved. We can now go and click on the video link, and it's going to take a minute to load. And as you can see, we've now got hashtags on our video. Honestly guys, it's that easy. If you found this video useful, please go down below and hit the subscribe button, leave a like for more. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.